2021 is the year where we'll see a lot of 5G phones. Let me rephrase, we'll see a lot of mid-range 5G phones, and Motorola wants to take the first stab at it. Yes, in this video we'll talk about Moto G 5G, and in all likelihood this might be the first 5G phone in India under 20,000, beating Xiaomi and Realme. And we are starting now. Hello everybody, this is Sudhindra and you're watching Tech Platter. In this channel I make videos on phones, cameras and everything tech. If this is of your interest, consider subscribing to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever I post an awesome tech video. Friends, I'm very close to reaching 500 subscribers milestone and I can achieve that feat only with your support. Alright, in this video we'll see everything about Moto G 5G, specifications, expected launch time and expected price, especially in India. We saw this phone getting listed recently in Bureau of Indian Standards BIS with the model number XT21133. And more importantly, Mukul Sharma has tweeted about it a couple of times in the last 2 days. And as I already said, Moto might beat Xiaomi and Realme in being the first 5G phone under 20,000 rupees. Since the phone was already launched in Europe, we know the specifications already. The phone comes with 6.7-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD display with a punch hole, and the display is HDR10 certified. It is protected by Corning's Gorilla Glass 3, which is almost 3 generations older. The bezels we see on this phone are not thin as well as not very thick, but compared to the side bezels, the chin is little bigger. It has a rear mounted fingerprint scanner. I love the way Moto implements the fingerprint scanner in the logo itself, making it look very elegant. Coming to the heart of the phone, Moto G 5G is powered by Snapdragon 750G processor, which was newly launched. The same chipset powers Samsung's A42. I've already made a dedicated video on Samsung Galaxy A42, you can find the link here. And rumors suggest that even Samsung Galaxy A52 will be powered by the same Snapdragon 750G processor. More about Galaxy A52 is coming this week, so stay tuned. Snapdragon 750G processor is a minor upgrade from Snapdragon 730G processor. It is a 8nm processor and has a 5G modem inbuilt. Like many other chipsets, this also is an octa-core chipset and has an Antutu score of 320,000, that is 3,20,000. It has Adreno 619 GPU, that means you can expect smoother gameplay, and running PUBG on extreme settings should not be a problem at all. I'll also be comparing Snapdragon 765G, 750G and 730G in my upcoming videos in this channel. Back to Moto G 5G, the phone comes with Android 10 out of the box. I wish Moto would have upgraded to Android 11. Motorola generally comes with stock Android, so don't expect any bloatware in these phones, which is a very good thing. On the flip side, Motorola is generally little slow in pushing Android upgrades. I wish Moto pushes upgrades more aggressively from 2021 at least. Coming to the cameras, Moto G 5G comes with a triple camera setup. Yes, the module looks like a quad camera module, but one of them is a flash. The primary sensor is a 48 megapixel f1.7 sensor without any optical image stabilization. We don't know whether it's a Sony sensor or any other sensor. The second camera is a 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera with f2.2 and 118 degrees field of view. We are seeing competition using almost 123-125 degrees field of view. That means they have wider coverage compared to Moto G 5G. And the third camera is a useless 2 megapixel macro sensor. While there is no optical image stabilization, we might see electronic image stabilization. The primary camera can record 4K up to 30 fps. A 16 megapixel f2.2 camera is doing its duty in the front. The phone has a 5000 mAh battery and in my opinion it should last one full day easily. That's mainly because stock Android and high efficient chipset. Coming to storage and pricing, the phone comes in two variants, a 4GB 64GB variant and a 6GB 128GB variant. You can also expand the storage with a hybrid SIM slot. Come on Motorola, we are entering 2021 and a 4GB phones at this price are not acceptable. The 4GB 64GB variant in Europe was launched at 299 euros, which is roughly 26,000 rupees, and the 6GB 128GB variant was launched at 350 euros, which is roughly 30,500 Indian rupees. European prices are generally expensive than Indian prices, and lot of YouTubers predict that this phone might come to India at 19,990 rupees, making it the first 5G phone under 20,000 rupees. This may be because it's an IPS LCD panel with 60Hz refresh rate, a 48 megapixel camera which is a downgrade from Moto One Fusion Plus which had a 64 megapixel camera. One Fusion Plus also had a quad camera setup and this phone is having a triple camera setup, and these two phones also share a lot of parts. I wish their prediction is correct, but knowing Motorola, I think the 4GB version might be priced at Rs 21,900 and after discounts it might be priced under 20,000 and the 6GB variant might be priced at 24,999 rupees. Coming to the launch date, there are strong leaks and rumors suggesting Moto G 5G will be launched at the end of November. That means we just have 1 week left for the launch. Well, that's all for this video. You let me know if you are interested in buying Moto G 5G in the comments. I try my best to answer every question, and if you have any questions at all, leave them in the comments below. If you have not watched my Samsung A42 5G video, you can find it here. You can find Micromax in-series phones video here, and you can find lot of interesting videos in the channel. If you have liked this video, do let me know by giving it a thumbs up. Tweet it, share it, and if you haven't done yet, join the Tech Platter family by hitting the subscribe button below. I'll see you in my next video.